What's up, YouTube? How's everyone doing today? It is Friday, September 10th, 2021. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. What's up, Low Roller? What's up, Marvin? What's up, Zakaria? Appreciate all of you guys for being here nice and early. Thank you, guys. So, what's up, 1010? I appreciate you for being here as well. All right, a lot of you guys in here nice and early. Can already tell it's going to be a pretty good show. So, thank you guys. Yep, great show for you guys today. Today we're doing the show from Ministan. That's not actually a good thing, but I think this is like the fourth day in a row. Honestly, yeah, I think it's like the third or fourth day in a row that we're doing the show from Ministan. Well, regardless of what the background is, the stock market has been down for like 5 days in a row. So, pretty nasty there. Hey, I've been doing pretty good. I feel sorry for everyone else, but you know, I'm doing my rainbow bear thing. I've been eating out here the past couple of weeks. Green or red, I've been eating. But it's pretty funny. When it's green, I actually make more money. I usually make, you know, a couple thousand a day when the stock market is booming. But when it's red, it seems like I only make a little bit. Or like the low thousands. I mean, I'm not complaining. But I'm just like, kind of weird. When it's red, I'm supposed to make more money, right? Apparently not. Hey, whatever. I'm not complaining. Rainbow Bear Gang unite. Hell of a way to end the week. Yeah, buddy. Printing those rainbow tendies. I need to get a rainbow meme or something in here. Need a rainbow bear meme. I'll work on that. Low roller. I FOMO into SEI. I jumped in $1.46. I just want to double my money and get out. Yeah. Kind of is FOMO. I'm not going to lie. Hope it works out, though. But we'll get to SEI. Yeah, I mean, the all-time high is 310. So, around there, you double your money. Possible. Might take a while. But, as long as you diamond hands and hold, you should be able to make that. Eventually. Can't say how long. But good luck to you, man. Yeah, we'll get to CEI. Fifth day in a row, blood is running in the streets. My VXX play was printing. Brrr. 400%, 300 to 1.2K. Wow, congratulations, dude. Yeah, all these, like, index plays, they print a lot if you're right. I mean, that's essentially the same thing as just buying puts on SPY. Could have did that, too, and print the same. But, yeah, man. Very nice. Congratulations, man. Kind of hard to call, you know, a bear week like this, but awesome, dude. 400%. I don't make gains like that, so very happy for you, Tencent. Congratulations. XCLA is not working out. Bought it a couple weeks ago. Yeah, well, first of all, sorry about that. Sorry to hear that. Yeah, you know, with these meme stocks, it's tough. It's a tough business. You got to get in before it trends. So, XCLA is one that it was hot, but, you know, you don't really hear about it too much anymore. On social media, on stock twits, it wasn't never really a popular stock of Wall Street bets, but on stock twits, you know, it was top 10 every single day for a while when it was hot. Now you don't even see it anymore. So, yeah, kind of looking bearish for XCLA right now. But hope that works out for you. Hope that works out for you, low roller. All right. So, yeah, great show for you guys today. As always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto review. And no significant news or anything today. I mean, the biggest story was like Apple lost their lawsuit. Yeah, that was the biggest story today. But nothing else really much. So we'll get right into the analysis today. Similar to yesterday. Not exactly, but similar. Today we're going to be talking about CEI. That was a major runner today. Very hot stock today. SPRT, that's going timber. ATER, GEVO, we talked about a lot of these yesterday, and we're going to talk about Affirm, AFRM. And I was going to talk about ISEE, but we'll just briefly run through that. We're not going to do a, full-on analysis or anything. But yeah, so it's CEI, SPRT, ATER, GEVO, and AFRM. A lot of good stocks today. And as always, we'll get to our Yolos. And I got some pretty good Yolos today. A lot of fun ones. So, should be a pretty good show. Let's do it, guys. And before we begin, please hit the like button. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Let's do it. My green screen was a little messed up there. All good now. Boom. All right. Shorted X and Hut. Made some tendies there. You're still in X, Sicaria? Yeah, I remember we predicted it would top out at around 28.50 and start to pull back. And it's taking a little bit longer than I thought it would, but it is pulling back right now. So it's getting there. The handle is forming, but it's a very wide handle, but it's still forming. So yeah, congratulations on that, Sicaria and Hut. Sorry about the ambulance, guys. And Hut. Yeah, this one's popular on Wall Street Bets. Don't really know why. So you shorted this. This might be the top of the cup here at like $11. So if you shorted around 11, that seems to be a pretty good play. Not financial advice, but yeah, looks like cup and handle. Top of the cup looks like 11. So yeah, they should be pulling back pretty soon. Long way to go to the downside. So yeah, congratulations, Sicaria. Happy to hear that. You gonna hold this one for long or what? Looks like a pretty good play here, if you ask me. Bitcoin mining company, of course. Yeah, all these meme stocks going nuts now. These crypto exposure stocks, A and Y too. I am buying the stock when the stock is tanking. I hope one more huge pump in the stock. Yeah, low roller. The thing though with meme stocks is, and I'm guilty of this. We're all guilty of this. You think you're getting a good price because it's tanking, right? This goes for any meme stock. MMAT, Clover, Wish, whatever. You think you're getting a great price. And then it tanks even more, like way more than you thought was possible. And then you're stuck holding the bag. So I've done that with MMAT. I thought 5 was a great price. Sold puts for 5, and I went down to under 3. I'm like, what is going on here? Same thing with Wish. Same thing with Clover. And XCLA, I did sell puts for $250, and then it started coming down. I'm like, oh, hell no. I closed that. I didn't want any of that. But yeah, meme stocks is a whole beast on its own. But, when Meme Mania round 3 comes around, it should pop again. You should be alright, man. I found Robinhood new feature for crypto. For news, the crypto wallet is not ready yet. Robinhood has a news feature for crypto now. We'll take a look at that in a little bit. That's actually a good thing, as far as I know. I don't use Robinhood too much, but I don't think they have much research tools. So that would be good if they do start reporting some news. That'd be a major upgrade for Robinhood. Much needed. Covered both. I won't hodl no more, man. Yeah, dude. Well, that's the well, there is no right or wrong answer onto how to be a rainbow bear, but the way I typically do it is I try to hold for as little as possible for the shortest amount of time. I try to get out on the same day, at most 2 or 3 days. So can't blame me there, man. So yeah, congratulations on the tendies. Alright, so let's start off with my plays today, after this ambulance passes. Cool. Yeah, 1 second, and we'll get started, guys. Alright, let's do it. Okay. So, ABUS. ABUS. I shorted this one this morning at 440. And it didn't really move too much today. I was pretty disappointed. I mean, at one point I was up a couple $100, but I came right back. Ended up covering for 435. So, made a little money there, but I was really just trying to break even. So, yeah, made a little money there. We got CBIO. Shorted this one also this morning for $5. And this one was also not really moving too much today. Well, I mean, it did in the morning, but then after that, it was pretty stagnant. And it got as low as like 460. But I ended up covering at 470. So, made a couple $100 there, like 5%. Not bad. ENDP. This one is not going good right now. I shorted this morning at, what did I do it at? 250, I believe. I shorted at 250. And it just went nuts. It went as high as like 330 today. And yeah, I was down like almost 40%, almost. And I averaged down, or averaged up, I guess. And now I'm just holding the bag. Yeah, it's running in the aftermarket. It's back up to 286. That is really not good. Yep, not good. I'm holding the bag right now. So currently down over 10% on this. Good. But that was my only loser for today. So, you know, the wins outweigh the losses, but that was like a big loss today. But, yeah, holding that right now. Hopefully next week I can unload that one. And ISEE. So we talked about this one right before we ended the show yesterday. This was going nuts. So I shorted at 14 yesterday. Yeah, Zakari, I did short it. You saw me do it, dude. You saw me do it live yesterday. So this was really unfortunate. Because what happened was all the shorts jumped in at, 14. And I went as low as 11. Let's pull up the chart here. So yeah, I was in at 14 back here, and it went down to 11 at 5 a.m., like 10:70. And, I got a little too greedy. I wanted 35%. I was not settling for 20. I wanted to cover at 950. And then what happens? All these price upgrades come out. We got Wedbush upgrades to $21. Stifle, $22. Credit Suisse, $18. So, I've been saying this on the show for a little while now. I've been saying, when you short something and then a bunch of hedge funds come out with a bunch of price upgrades, that's really not good, because they're pumping the stock up and they're gonna manipulate it. They're throwing millions of dollars into the stock. They're pumping it up artificially. So yeah, 5 a.m. It was below $11, looking really, really bearish. I was printing attendees. I was up like 20% here. And then what happens? It goes right back up. Right back up. Right after the price upgrades come out. Stifle, Wedbush, Credit Suisse. Damn hedge funds. So yeah, came all the way back. I was actually down a couple $100. It came back to $15.50. And I was able to escape later in the day at $13.80. So I covered for a small profit, but really I just wanted to get out. But yeah, I was very disappointed about this. Not going to say upset because I'm not surprised. But yeah, this was a great opportunity and everything was looking, like the tendies were going to print. It was going timber real hard. And then the stupid hedge funds have to step in and, manipulate the price. That's how it goes, At least now, I cut, as soon as I saw that the upgrades come out, I cut immediately, or when I could, for break even. The old me would have just diamond balled this, still, and now it's pushing 1450 in the aftermarket. So yeah, should have covered at 20%, should have covered at 11, but I think I handled this trade pretty well. I think I managed pretty well. Could have been up $1,000, but ended with a little bit of money, a little green. So can't complain. Didn't lose money, but I was up a lot on this stock, and I got too greedy and didn't cover, and the hedge funds come in and F everything up. So yeah, pretty disappointing, but I did manage to escape in the green there for a small profit. I had to see it to believe those price upgrades can really do magic for a stock that isn't even profitable. Yeah, dude. It's pure manipulation. It is pure. I mean, we know this. The whole stock market is pure manipulation. But especially when it comes to these biotech stocks and these low float stocks, and especially low float biotech stocks, it's just super manipulation. And the crazy thing is you don't even know which way to go, because it could be just straight BS. They can literally put out a fake upgrade and short it down. They could put out a fake upgrade so retail jumps in and they'll short it down and steal your money, or they'll put out a real upgrade and they're gonna start buying the stock up and just squeeze everyone out. So it's like total manipulation, and you don't know what they're doing behind the scenes. So when something like that comes out, when price upgrades come out, probably just better to cut and just get the hell out of there. That's what I do now. But yeah, these damn hedge funds. Those price upgrades really do magic, yes, for sure. On any stock, but yeah, especially when they're trying to rig it and manipulate it, shenanigans goes down. Like today. How is this still holding up? At over 60%. That is ridiculous. Still going after hours. Yep, 1450 now. Not too bad though. It hit 1550, during the day. So, little bit of a. It just seems like shorts are covering. They don't want to hold over the weekend. That kind of seems to me like that's what's happening here. What's up, Joe? Appreciate you for being here, man. As soon as I already got you, Marvin. Oh no, I didn't. As soon as I saw those price upgrades, it gave me folk FULC feelings immediately. Yeah, dude. Exactly the same, for sure. Although HC Wainwright did not upgrade ISEE today. And HC Wainwright is the shadiest hedge fund, especially when it comes to biotech. I've been on the other side of them many, many times. They're doing some manipulation behind the scenes. So I believe HC Wainwright was in FULC, but I don't think they were in ISEE. But it doesn't really matter. It's all rigged. All these hedge funds are rigging it. Anyway, Moving on. And then I got SY. This is I think a Chinese biotech. I don't even know. Don't care. I shorted this morning at $6 and covered at 5.35. Instantly, when the market opened, it tanked from like 6 to 5.35 in literally a second. It went ding, and I'm like, what just happened? Oh, I made 10%. Awesome. So yeah, that was my biggest winner today. SY. 10%. And TTOO. This one also was mooning in the post market last night, along with ISEE. So I shorted this at 108. Kind of upset because it went up to 115, but I got it for 108 and covered today at 105 for a small profit, a couple $100. I was trying to get 95, never went there. It went to $1, but yeah, ended up covering at 105. So overall, I mean, I made money today, so can't complain, but not as much as I would like to, as I would have liked to, and not as much as I've been making the past couple of weeks. Man, I've been slaying it past couple of weeks. You know, it's been like at least like $2,000 a day. I'm not trying to brag, but like literally, I've gotten too used to it. And today I made like $500, and I'm like, this sucks. So I'm getting spoiled here. But hey, can't win them all. I still won, but I'm like, damn, this is a small gain today. Yeah, anyway, can't complain, you know. Made money on a red day. But again, you know, on a red day you would expect me to make more money, but I make less money. Kind of weird. But yeah, whatever. So overall, not a bad day for me. Made a little bit of money here. And considering, you know, how much of a bloodbath this is, can't really complain. Another SafeMoon developer team quit today. They are trying to compare a person that left Ether and joined Cardano. So they're trying to hype up their coin. Yeah. SafeMoon is the next ADA. To the moon. Yeah, screw that coin. It's pump and dump. I don't even know anything about it, but I know it's pump and dump. If Dave Portnoy says I don't know what it is, but I'm buying it, F it, you probably shouldn't buy it. Hope you all had a good day in the casino. Well, generally speaking, I think most people lost money today. But I did alright, Joe. I did pretty good, as I just said. So, hope you did as well. Alright, let's move on to the watch list here. Lot of red. Big bloodbath. Alright, so the Dow Jones finishes down 0.78%. The Nasdaq finishes down 0.77%. And the S&P 500 finishes down 0.77%. Yep, the whole stock market going BitConnect. Going timber. Nasty stuff. Yeah, this week's been pretty nasty. Not for me, but for the general market. Alright, let's take a look here. So yeah, a lot of red here. And a lot of big red. I see like double-digit red here. And not too much green. So let's see what's going on. American Airlines getting slammed here. Down 6.19%. That is really bad. So it seems like the travel stock's not doing good today. Cruises and airlines. Yeah, American Airline getting slammed. Apple is down 3.31%. That is nasty. Probably a lot of this had to do with the lawsuit. You know, them and Epic Games. You know, the Fortnite makers suing Apple because they're stealing all their money. And Epic came out and they won today. Apple lost the lawsuit. So probably a lot of that had to do with the price action for Apple today. This is a big That's pretty big. 3.3% on a blue chip stock like that. That's pretty nasty. AMC's up 3.38%. And we got ANY covered this past couple of shows. That's down 8.9%. BlackBerry down 2.89%. Bumble's up 4.5%. Interesting. Got Canopy Growth down 4%. Looks like the cannabis stock's not doing too hot either today. Yeah, Carnival Cruise down. Clover is down 7.73%. Crazy. Wasn't it just at like 10? I can't with these meme stocks. So glad I'm out of there. Coinbase down 3.16%. Yeah, Delta Airlines down. Didi is down 5%. So going back to doing Didi things. DraftKings down 1.9%. What else we got here? Fubo is up 2.71%. GME is down 4.4%. Google is down 2.07%. Even these blue chip stocks are getting slammed today. This is nuts. Robinhood pretty sideways, down 0.27%. Yeah, JetBlue down. Yeah, airlines getting slammed today. And Marathon is down 8.1%. That is nasty. Everything going timber today. MMAT is down 2.06%. Not too bad there. Moderna's down slightly. MicroStrategy down 3.91%. Match is up 4.23%. Nice day there. Got Microvision down 1.55%. Norwegian Cruise down. And Novavax is down 6.41%. Interesting. What else we got here? Peloton up 6.83%. That stock has been running past couple of trading sessions. It's a hot stock right now. Riot down 5.52%, so the crypto exposure stocks not doing well either. Nothing's doing well today, really. Roku down 3%. Skills down 2.86%. We got SOS. This was top 10 in trending today on StockTotes, but we're not going to talk about it. But this is a popular meme stock. The apes do like this one. That's up 8.53% today. And SPRT is down 19.29%. And we shall talk about this one second today. Yeah, big pullback. Yeah, I did say, was it yesterday or 2 days ago? I said, support looks like a dead cat bounce. I think it's going back timber. I was right. I roll over my MMAT options call. You can make more money. Yeah, but no. I'm done with MMAT. I'm just waiting to get called away. It's at like 5 something now. My striker's at 4, so got a week to go. So unless something ridiculous happens in a week, those should be getting called away for me on Friday, next Friday, and I'll be break even, a little bit in the green there. But no, I don't care about making money on MMAT. I'm done with this stock. I hate this damn stock. Just let me out. Give me my money back. FULC finally pulling back. We'll check that out in a second. But it had to eventually. It was just being manipulated. You know what also pulled back? FLGC. I checked it like yesterday. It's at like $7 again. So it did come back down to my average. So I was pretty upset about that. Clown on me. So if I did hold a little longer, not a little longer. If I did hold for a decent amount longer, I would have gotten out in the green there. But even I'm not that big of a rainbow ape, you know, even I have my limits. Couldn't do it anymore. But I was pretty upset. I'm like, damn, I really lost like almost 7K on that. And I could have held and made it. Nuts. Oh well, what you gonna do? Alright, back to this. Tilray down 3.5%. Tesla down 2.46%. The VIX is up over 11% today. That's pushing 21. So, yeah, the VIX is getting back up there. Well, what happened to VRPX? Verpax. That's up. That's down 25%. I didn't even see that. That is nasty. No, it's not a pullout. It's just a fake cat bounced on the short side. And they're going to run it up again. Yep. I mean, I wouldn't doubt it. Crazy manipulation going on here. And then we got Wish down 2.72% and Workhorse down 3.32%. We got XALA down 3.48%. And yeah, that's about it. So yeah, this is pretty nasty. A lot of red here and a lot of big red. A lot of double-digit red here. So nasty, nasty day for the stock market. Not too much green. And where there is green, it's really not too much. Like the biggest gainer here on my watch list is the VIX. So that's not a good thing. But yeah, that's the stock market for today. Very nasty. So I hope it wasn't too bad for you guys. Hope you guys actually made money somehow. Don't know how, but hope you guys made money. And if you didn't, hope it wasn't too bad for you guys. Yeah, just hang in there. Pretty nasty day today. This whole week, actually, for stocks and crypto. Can I request you have a look at HIMAX, HIMX, during the show today? Yeah, we could do that right now, real quick. ATR is the next big mover. What's up, Chase? Appreciate you for being here, as always. Yeah, I don't even have ATER on my list here. Yeah, it could be. It could be. It looks like BBIG is cooling off, and ATER may be the next one. And GEVO, possibly. But we'll get to that. All right. So let's look at FULC first. Just want to see the price here. Not pulling back that much. I covered at like 25 or 26, so it's still above what I covered at. But it is... It does appear like it is topping out at 30. 30 looks like the top. Of course, obvious manipulation. So it's like an inverse cup here, like a head and shoulders developing. So this does look bearish. But I can't go off of just the TA when it comes to these manipulated biotech stocks, because some shenanigans is going to go on. But it is starting to lose some momentum. It is looking kind of weak here. I ain't going back for it, though. HIMX. Yeah, Joe, so I don't even know what this is. Like, I haven't done any DD. I don't know what this company is. Well, technology company, it says. So, just going off of the TA here. RSI is below average. RSI is at 44, so pretty bullish indicator there. Looks like a cup and handle. Looks like a cup and handle in the making, but it hasn't bottomed yet. Or maybe it did, but no confirmation just yet. So yeah, you know, it's at like $12 right now. This seems to be a decent price. It might even be a really good price. It might be the bottom or near the bottom. You know, like 11 might have been the bottom. But I don't think you can go too wrong here buying in at 12. this has pulled back pretty significantly from 17. So I would say either you could buy in here and average down, or what I would probably do is just wait for a better price. You can sell puts for 11 or 10. That wouldn't be such a bad idea. I'd probably do that. I'd probably sell puts for 11 or 10. But this does look kind of bullish to me. It may pull back more because we don't know where the bottom is, but it does look like it should go to the upside in the short term. So hope that answers your question, Joe. And for everyone who came in late, can you please hit the like button, please? Thank you. I'd appreciate that. I don't remember who asked what's going to run tomorrow. I called VIX. I can see the future. Yeah, that was a total joke, too. And ended up being true. CEI tank after hours. What's going on with CEI? Yeah, it's a pretty big pullback. But we'll get to this. I mean, it's kind of expected. But yeah, we'll get to this. It is pulling back in the aftermarket, though. Good folk you to folk. I love the puns there. That's a good joke. That's why I ask you, because I know you'll give me the straight TA. I got the DD. Yeah, dude, so TA looks pretty decent right now. If the DD looks good, then, I would say go for it. Not financial advice. Loaded leaps at 1080. Not bad, not bad. So, what's the IV on those? Pretty cheap IV, too. Pretty low IV, so, yeah, hope that prints, man. If that hits, it's going to print pretty hard. So good luck to you. Hope that works out. I know CEI is tempting to hop on, but I should have fought the urge. I've been doing it all week. Yeah, that's right, Marvin. I remember Marvin was like, I'm going to load up at 70 cents. And the damn thing is running like crazy now. It's at 150. So, might have to wait a little bit longer to load up, Marvin. Yeah, really unfortunate. It's been running. But just because it's running doesn't mean that you should have bought in. Like, you did make the correct play in resisting the FOMO. It just turns out in this situation, it did keep running. So unfortunate, but in the long term, in the long run, you did make the right play. So if you do make plays like that, consistently, if you just FOMO in like that consistently, you're going to lose money over time. So I understand. This one got away from you, but you did make the right play, so you can't be too upset at yourself. Okay. Let's get to some crypto now. 1 second, guys. Let me pull it up. And let me also pull up the post-market movers here, in case I want to rainbow bear anything in the middle of the show here, if anything is going up. Not too much action here. Well, there's CYRN. All right, so let's rewind. Let's put crypto on pause for a second. CYRN and HEPA. I know HEPA is a biotech. Oh, damn, we already missed it. It went up to 2. Alright, so what I'm going to do here... I'm going to put a Sell order in at $2. See if it hits. Maybe it won't, but if it does, that'll be a good price. Two. Alright, so I got an order for 2,500 shares going in right now. Cool. And what's this other one? CYRN. What's CYRN? CYR. This is a penny stock. Well, it's not biotech, so I'm not going for it. But this one's mooning right now. If you guys want to jump in. Not financial advice. If you guys want to short this right now, it's coming down right now. So, just putting that out there. It's up 45% in the aftermarket. And going timber right now, as we speak. I'm not going to go for it, but could be a good opportunity. But I did put in the order for HEPA. So, hopefully that one fills. Alright, let's get back to crypto. Yeah, I would say 80 cents right here is a pretty good price. I ain't going for it, though. Solar stock about to moon. Look back at 2015 when Obama passed his infrastructure bill. I'm not too familiar with how the energy stocks did when that infrastructure bill went, but that is some good... You know, that would make sense. That's some good speculation there. I did see on Wall Street Bets, I don't know if this is related, but a lot of apes are going for uranium right now. Or uranium is really, really popular. I saw a bunch of uranium Yolos. So I don't know why uranium is going nuts, but maybe it has something to do with infrastructure as well. CEI is only 145. Yeah, I mean, a couple days ago it was below $1, so it's running pretty fast. I may have to get me some leaps on VIX as well. So Marvin, you think the market's gonna keep going timber? I mean, I don't know. It might. But you're gonna get leaps on the VIX. So you think long term the VIX is gonna go up? So you think long term the market's going down? You think we're headed for a bear market? Might be. Very well might be. A little ballsy there, but could pay off pretty big if it works. Don't forget about Robinhood. News about crypto. I did forget about that. But we'll get to crypto right now and we'll get to that. Yep. Thanks for reminding me. 1010 says no VIX leaps. He doesn't want you to do it, Marvin. Get in and get out. Yeah, I would probably say I probably think that's the better play. To go for the FDs, not the leaps. On the VIX. VIX FDs seems like a pretty good play. If you guess right. VIX leaps, I probably wouldn't do it. But the FDs I would go for. You just gotta guess right. I want CEI pumping the $10 so you can 10x. Yeah, wouldn't everyone? That'd be nuts. Joe says, Marvin, do it right. 0 days till expiration out of the money SPY puts. It would have paid off today. You would have made tendies if you did that today. They are designed to intentionally decay. Look at the chart. Yeah, Joe's back with the jokes. Misty Joe. So yeah, so back at CYRN, so I said short at 80, right? Now it's down to 75, so. And still going timber. Maybe I should have made a play. Oh well. Let's get to crypto. That's the plan now. Yeah, go FDs on the indexes. Still got them. Just have too many kids around me most of the time to talk anymore. But I have it on here just about every day. Oh, really, dude? Oh, nice to know. I thought you'd been AWOL for a little bit. But yeah, dude, got to take care of your responsibilities. I get it. Just glad you could attend the shows. But yeah, when you got the joke, you got some pretty good jokes. So I do appreciate you being here, making everyone laugh, every day. All right, so crypto is down 2.36% today. This is nasty. I just see a sea of red. What a bloodbath. I don't see any green. Well, let's see what's going on. How many kids you got, Joe? You gotta pay for the college fund with those MMAT leaps? Or MMAT covered calls? I think you got both. Make them go work at Wendy's or something. Alright, so Bitcoin is down 2.5%. That is pushing 45K again. Nasty. Ether is down 5.18%. Cardano down 5.6%. Binance down 4%. Solana down 5.75%. XRP down 2%. Dogecoin down 4.5%. Polkadot down 3%. And Luna is up 34%. I'm telling you, this thing is inverse of the rest of the market. This thing is always inverse. It's like super green when it's a bloodbath, and it's a bloodbath when crypto is mooning. Luna is like the VIX of crypto, if you ask me. Yeah. What else we got here? Chainlink down 6.6%. Bitcoin Cash 4.5%. Litecoin 3.4%. Avalanche is up 14%. And Algorand down 19%. Major pullback there. ICP down 7%. Filecoin down 7.26%. Cosmos is up 6%. Let's do this. And Tezos is up 20%. Kind of weird. It looks like there's not too much green here, but the stuff that is green is like mooning. That is kind of odd. Four kids. Damn, that is a lot of kids. Yeah, I hope those hope those covered calls are feeding them. And maybe one day they'll pay for their college. Or you can just train them to be apes. Raise them to be apes. You don't need to go to college. You can just YOLO your whole life. I can read the latest trending and news added in coin market cap for new coins. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Right here. Oh, this was added like yesterday. It is pretty useful here. Pfizer token? The hell is that? Okay. That's up 58,000%. Alright, so looking at the green here. We got Luna up 34%. And then Mina, I don't know what that is, but I think that just broke the top 100. 21.5%. Tezos 19%. Icon, Quant, Avalanche, Elrond, Those are all double digits. Actually more green here than I thought. Yeah, kind of odd. The stuff that's green today is really, really green. And if we look at the red isn't too bad. I mean, there's a lot of red, but it's not like huge losses. The worst thing is Algorand. And that's only pulling back that much because it was mooning the past week. Then we got Perp, that was also mooning. Phantom, that was also mooning. Ravane, also mooning. So the stuff that got slammed today was really just some healthy pullback, if you ask me. Everything else was not too bad. Zcash? I remember I bought Zcash years ago at like $400. Clown on me. I mean, I sold it already, but yeah, clown on me for Zcash. And clown on me for Chainlink, because I sold that at like $9. But yeah, pretty nasty day for crypto, but honestly speaking, could be a lot worse. This isn't too bad. Yeah, like I said, pretty much everything is red, but you know, isn't any like significant losses or anything. So shouldn't have been that bad today, unless you're holding, you know, some of these coins right here: Algorand, Perp, Phantom. But yeah, pretty nasty day for crypto. Not too bad though. So just hang in there, guys. Hope it wasn't too bad for you today. Luna is new Solana last week. I'm not really sure what exactly Luna is, but I know Solana is like a wannabe Ethereum / Cardano. And yeah, it just really seems like Luna trades inverse for crypto. It is the VIX of crypto. I ain't touching that thing, but it is going nuts. Those are getting assigned every day now, and I'm using that money for my plays. 2x in the last 2 weeks. Baba to Rocket Labs to AI to HIMX. So, sounds like you're Prince and attendees right now, Joe. Very happy. Yeah, you're probably going to get assigned. Yeah, you're going to get assigned at the 4 and the 5 strike. I'm going to get assigned at the 4. But I think you have 5 strikes too, so. Yep, those are paying off. They have Potato Chin. Who has Potato Chin? Oh, Potato Coin. Potato Coin, my bad. Can't read today. Yeah, I see here Potato. Worth nothing. 0.000000008397. Who knows? Maybe it'll go to 1 cent. Or $1 one day. Imagine. I did have to cut bait on some body calls. Clown. I bought today. So it's not all perfect. Oh, I got this one for you, Joe. Give you the dumpster, Joe. Wrong one. I mean, I guess that's appropriate, too. Baby, are you down, 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 down? No, here it is. Dumpster. Yeah, you can't win them all. But seems like you're winning of late. You've been winning pretty well as of late. So, yeah, you can't win them all. Zcash will go back to 1,000. One can hope. I don't have it anymore. But yeah, I bought it at 400 like 3 years ago, and now it's like at 100. Crazy. Bought some leads on GGPI today because I've been watching the stock and the volume was kind of weird. Also, I shouldn't have loaded up stock quits because those people got me bullish. Yep. So that is true about the stock twits. Social media in general. Yeah, generally when you see very positive sentiment, you probably, all right, doesn't matter what sentiment, bullish or bearish, usually the winning play is to do the opposite of what everyone is screaming to do. So if everyone is screaming it's going to the moon, you should probably short it. If everyone is screaming timber, you should probably go long. Doesn't always work, but I've been doing that for a little while now. Usually tends to work. But yeah, totally agree. Looking at stock splits, Wall Street bets kind of makes you lose money. Because I loaded up on all these stupid meme stocks because of Wall Street bets. And I have lost a good amount of money on meme stocks. I'm done with meme stocks. Then I think back, like, why did I even go for those? Oh, right, because I was looking at Wall Street bets. Oh, my mom's in the building. She says, hi, Rainbow Bear. My mom's saying hi to all of us. Alright, so that is the crypto market for today. Hope it wasn't too bad for you guys. So let's look at this article that Low Roller sent, and then we'll get into the analysis. Where is it? Where is it? Cool. Okay. Doge cost averaging. Robinhood rolls out fee-free reoccurring crypto buy feature. Retail crypto traders on Robinhood can now set up commission-free recurring investments in multiple crypto assets on a daily, weekly, or bi-weekly or monthly basis. So, does it just automatically... It just automatically buys for you? Is that how this works? It says, given Dogecoin accounts for 62% of Robinhood's crypto services revenue, the move could result in a steady stream of small buyers for the meme coin. 62% of all crypto traded on Robinhood is Dogecoin. Amazing. So yeah, that's pretty cool if you ask me. I don't know how many people would actually use this, because this is actually like some intelligent investing here. And we all know who uses Robinhood. Just a bunch of crayon-eating apes. But this is good. I mean, it's better to have than not have. So if I understand correctly, you can tell it to buy an X amount of crypto every day or every week or whatever. So it's good if you want to put money away, kind of like a 401k, I guess. Crypto 401k. Seems like. So actually, here's some good PR from Robinhood. That's rare. never hear about that. Well, this is good, you know. Again, not sure how many people are actually going to use this, but it is a useful feature to have. So, that's good. Happy about that. Yeah, more apes should take advantage of this. Long term. So, thanks for that, Low Roller. Let's refresh here. So, CYRN is at 76 now. Anyway, let's go. That's all the crypto for today and all the articles. So let's do some analysis now. It came back up to 80. Interesting. Hit 85. Yeah, I'm not going to watch this. I'm not going for it anyway. Alright, so today we're doing CEI, SPRT, ATER, GEVO, GEVO, and AFRM. Give me 1 second, guys, because I was kind of rushing to do the support and resistance here before the show started. So let me just finish this up here. Almost done, though. Yeah, that's actually good enough. I'm hearing rumors that Coinbase is about to relist XRP, but only for the whales, not for the general public. Only for institutions, probably. Not surprising at all. I mean, I think they want to relist XRP, but just given what's going on right now with the legal situation, they really can't. But is that legal? Can you do that? Can you relist a coin that's supposed to be banned for exclusive investors? Kind of sounds illegal to me, but I would not be surprised. I mean, but either way, that is a good thing. Even if the public can't buy XRP on Coinbase, the institutions can, so that's going to drive the price up. Okay, let's do it, guys. So here is CEI Camber Energy. This finishes at $1.52 today. That is up 16.92%. So this one was picking up momentum in the past couple of days on social media. We see here, really the past 2 weeks, it's been low-key short squeezing. Went all the way from 30 cents to $1.50 today. So that's a 5-bagger. Incredible. But no one really caught on to this until recently, like yesterday, because that's when it started going nuts on social media. Yeah, we covered this one yesterday, and yesterday it had a big pop because of some good PR. I believe they're in a partnership with Chevron right now. So, it was kind of hard to tell if this was a meme stock or not at first, but I'm starting to believe this is a meme stock. The apes really, really like this one. And they're piling in, and it appears like the shorts are being squeezed out right now. So it appears like we have a new meme stock here. Can't confirm yet, but in all likelihood, this is now a meme stock. So there wasn't any news or anything to justify this price action today. So I'm going to assume that the price action was due to a bunch of ape stuff going on. A lot of apes shouting on stock twits, "It's gonna moon, it's gonna squeeze." And everyone's piling in. So yeah, it seems like the BBIG momentum is coming down, and it appears like people are moving into ATER and CEI now. Anyway, let's analyze this. So we have a gap up today at 130. Just formed. So that is a bearish indicator that is telling us that this is likely to come back down to 130 eventually to fill this gap. Probably going to do that in the short term. And we also have this possible cup and handle in the making. Very wide cup. Top of the cup could be 310, 280, it looked like it looked like 140 could have been the top of the cup, but it blew past that today. Yeah, it could also be 180, top of the cup. So, so there could be multiple. So there are multiple possible tops of this cup here, but the bottom does appear to be 33 cents, which is the low. So that is currently a bullish indicator, this possible cup and handle here. So this should keep running more to the upside to fill the top of the cup. And again, can't say where the top of the cup is. But this does appear like there is still momentum, and the top of the cup has not been filled just yet. As long as they pumped my bags, I don't care. XRP to the moon. I told you, people saying this thing going to 10. 10? From 150, from 30 cents? That'd be something, huh? That'd be more than AMC and GME, I think. That'd be nuts. I mean, I hope so. But, yeah, don't take your investment advice from StockTwits. Okay. So right now, this is sitting on the support of 152, which it finished at today. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 168, 177, 188, $2, 210, 218, 237, 280, and then the all-time high, 310. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 137, 125, 121, 113, 106, $1, 90 cents, 84 cents, 77 cents, 69 cents, nice, 59 cents, 52 cents, 44 cents, 39 cents, and then the low of 33 cents. If this thing pulled back to fill that gap, you best believe I'm in there. I thought you were in there at 70, Marvin. You're getting FOMO? You want in at 130 now? I don't know, dude. I mean, could pay off, but pretty scary right here. Yeah, that really sucks you didn't get it at 70. Imagine. It would have doubled up right here. FAMI? FAMI is pumping today? I don't even know what that is. I don't even see that. What's FAMI? Oops. What did I just do? Yeah, that's a penny stock, though. Oh, I did see this. Yeah, this is, Farmi. It's a, agricultural company. Yeah, I did see this, but it wasn't really trending too much, so no one really cares too much. Yeah, this is major runner, though. I'm still waiting for, what, 70? I mean, yeah, you know, can average down all the way. So right now at this current price, 152, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty decently sized. So expect a good amount of price action either way this goes. However, if/when this breaks 218 to the upside, the channels start to open up and get pretty wide. So expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks 218. The RSI is currently at 91, so that is very overbought and very overvalued. So be careful, guys. And this did 391 million in volume today. By far the biggest volume day for this stock. So this pump today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys. So honestly, it's a little bit hard to tell where this is going right now. You know, traditionally and logically, just looking at the technical analysis, this would appear like it should pull back to the downside in the short term. If it were my best guess, I would say it's more likely to go to the downside than the upside. We have very bearish indicators here. High RSI and high volume, and the gap up at 130. One second, guys. Ambulance here. My bad. 1 second. My apologies. Yeah, if it were my best guess, I'd probably say more likely it's going to go to the downside than the upside. We have a lot of bearish indicators here. High RSI, high volume, and the gap up at 130. And the only bullish indicator is the possible cup and handle. And nobody knows where the top of the cup is, so that may not even be that bullish at this point. So the chart looks really bearish from a technical analysis standpoint. So normally I would say, this is not a good time to go long, and would be a pretty good time to go short. But in this situation, this is now turning into a meme stock. The apes are all over this one. So when it comes to meme stocks, these things are pretty unpredictable, and you can't rely too much on technical analysis. So traditionally, this should pull back to the downside. But But you know, right now, there is very strong social media sentiment on this one, and as long as the momentum keeps up, this very well could keep on squeezing. So yeah, the TA is telling us this is bearish, and the social media sentiment is telling us that this is bullish. So therefore, if you currently don't have a position in this stock, probably the best play is to avoid it altogether. This really isn't the greatest entry going long or short here at 150. This is like right in the middle of the cup. So it's either going to go mooning or it's going to go drilling. Might as well flip a coin. So yeah, if you don't have that high of a risk tolerance, if you want to play it a little safer, the best option would be to just observe this in the coming days and weeks and see if you can get a better price. If it continues to go up, then you can open a short position, and if it pulls back, then you can open a long position. Now, I'm not against taking a position at this current price, 150, but it is more like a gamble than an investment at this point. Like I said, it's either going to the moon or it's going to go drilling. No in between. So you're either going to make a lot of money or lose a lot of money. So if you are aware of the risks, then I would say go for it. But it's a little too risky for me, and I would not recommend it. Yeah, this is a high risk, high reward play right now. Either way, long or short. So only do that if you can afford to lose the money. But yeah, very hard to tell where it's going in the short term. TA says downside. Social media says upside. So we'll have to see where it goes. I have no position. I'm just going to watch. So congratulations to everyone who made money on this one today and in the past 2 weeks. Consider taking profits. Not financial advice. But it's never a bad idea to cash out when you're up. When you're up big. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is CEI Camber Energy. All right, SPRT. Okay, here is SPRT Support.com. This finishes at $21 today. That is down 19.29%. Oops, what's going on here? So we did have some news on this one, so let's take a look at that first. What's up, D.O. Denny? Appreciate you for being here, as always. Okay, so it says Support.com today announced that its stockholders approved all proposals related to the previously announced merger transaction with Greenidge Generation Holdings, Inc. Greenidge is a vertically integrated Bitcoin mining and power generation company at a special meeting of Support.com stockholders held today. Okay, so that's some major news right there. The merger went through, and the stock is down 19%. I don't know. Kind of seems like a buy the rumor, sell the news play here, because everyone was aware of this merger, and it goes through today. So it appears like people are selling the news. Or it could just be some healthy pullback. But either way, the market did not react very positively to this news today. And in my previous shows, I've been saying that I said that these two green candles here looks kind of suspicious. It looked very odd to me. I said it looked like a dead cat bounce. And today we have a major pullback. So it looks like I'm right. For now, at least. But yeah, this was also a meme stock. It squeezed all the way from like $8 to 60 in a few trading sessions. Crazy run here. But it does appear like the momentum is cooling off. It appears like the apes are taking their profits and moving on to other meme stocks right now. The squeeze might have been squeezed for this stock. Anyway, let's analyze this. Yeah, so it went down from 27 to 21 in literally 5 seconds. Today? What, market opened and then it goes timber? I wasn't paying attention. Yeah, right here. 1 second, guys. Never mind, they went the other way. Yeah, right here. At 11:38. Goes from 26 to 21. Yep. In about, 15 minutes? Goes from 26 to 21. That is nasty. A lot of people said they were only going to hold up to the merger on social media. Good, I lost $500 trying to short this piece of crap. Oh, that's not too bad, man. I thought it was a lot worse because you seemed pretty upset when it happened. So, I'm glad to hear that. It wasn't too bad. It still sucks, but not too bad. I don't know, maybe you should reshort right now, not financial advice. And halted. Yeah, I did see it halted. That's right. Scaria says, give Marvin the clown. It's alright, we're all clowns. Happens to all of us. Alright, let's analyze this. So we have a gap down at around $31. So that is a bullish indicator. That is telling us that this is likely to come back up to 31 eventually to fill that gap. Might be in the short term. I don't know after today. But that should come back up to 31 eventually. And it did look like we had a possible cup and handle here. Very deep cup. Top of the cup could have been 60. Um, 38.5. 29. So there are multiple possible tops here of the cup, but the bottom appears to be around 19-ish. So, so that's currently a bullish indicator. That's telling us that this is likely to come back up to 60, 38.5, or 29 to fill the top of the cup. But today, after this big sell-off, there may be no more cup and handle. If this continues to go to the downside, the cup and handle is going to reject. So if that happens, then forget everything about the cup and handle. Okay. Looks like I can clean this up a little bit here. Does look a little better. My bad, guys. I'm just trying to clean this up a little bit. That should work. Okay. So right now this is trading. So right now this is sitting on the support of 21, which it finished at today. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of support, next levels of resistance would be 23, 26.10, 29.30, 31, 36, 38.40, 43.15, and then the all-time high 59.69. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 20 and then 15. And there is a bunch of support below 15, but we're not going to discuss that right now. So right now at this current price, 21, the channels to the upside and the downside are very wide. So expect significant price action either way this goes. However, if/when this comes back down to 15, the channels start to narrow. So expect a significant decrease in price action if/when this comes back to 15. RSI is currently at 55, so a little above average, but right around where it's supposed to be. So according to the RSI, this current price, $21, is around fair market value. And this did 30 million in volume today. Very significant volume. So this sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. Zakaria, call me crazy, but I am long in ISEE. You're not crazy, dude. I would have called you crazy yesterday, but now after the price upgrades, I really can't blame you. You have to be, the way you win in this game, you have to be on the side of the manipulators. So the reason why I win going short so much is because I'm on the side of the manipulators. But in this situation, they're manipulating it to the long side. That being them being Credit Suisse, Stifel, and Wedbush. So, no, you're not crazy at all, dude. You just have to hope they really, really manipulate the crap out of that stock and pump it up like FULC. But I see the reason, man. I see the logic behind it. You're not crazy. Maybe I should reshort, but with my luck, this thing will just squeeze again all the way back up to 60. Yeah, you already know how it goes. He reshorted. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. No, I'm just joking, Marvin. Half joking. But, your sacrifice would be appreciated by many apes. I don't think you're crazy because ISEE, I said before, is giving me FULC vibes. Yeah, exactly. Highly manipulated. What's up, Mitchell? Appreciate you for being here, as always. Glad you could make the show today. And for everyone who came in late, can you please hit the like button, please? I'd appreciate that. Thank you. Yeah, Zakaria. I think so, and Mitchell thinks so. So, not saying it's gonna keep going up, but I definitely would not be surprised. It is definitely being manipulated right now. It should have went back to 10 today, and it didn't. Obviously being artificially held up. Who knows, but those price upgrades would be enough to scare any bear. That is any smart bear. Yeah. Any regular rainbow bear. Not a crayon-eating rainbow bear. When moon? When moon for what? When moon? Just diamond hands. It's gonna moon eventually. Alright. Okay. So, here is yet again another meme stock that it is very hard to tell which way it's going to go in the short term. I said it looked like a dead cat bounce, and it looks like I was right so far, but who knows? Maybe the squeeze is not squoze yet. But if it were my best guess, I would probably say this is more likely to go to the downside than the upside. I mean, before this pumped up the last 2 days, this chart looked really, really bearish. It went straight free fall from 60 down to 20. And those two big green candles was very unexpected. It looked very out of place. So that's why I said I think it's a dead cat bounce. And today it pulls back pretty heavily, so it appears like it's going back into free fall right now. But again, you never know. The chart doesn't look as bearish as it did a couple days ago, but it still looks pretty bearish to me. So I would say it's likely to go to the downside. But we do have bullish indicators here. We have the gap down and the possible cup and handle. So we still got to keep that in mind. But yeah, I would pay attention to the social media sentiment. I would pay attention to, how high this is on the trending list on StockTwits. if it's losing momentum and people aren't talking about it anymore, it's most likely going timber. It's most likely going to keep pulling back. But if this momentum does keep up and it stays top 10 on StockTwits for the next few trading sessions, this could recover to the upside. But yeah, I think right now this is a little too risky to take any position. I would stay away from this altogether. I think if you currently don't have a position, that would be the best play to avoid this. Next week, it's either going to be 15 or 50. My bet is on 50. I think you're talking about support, right? Not sure which stock you're talking about. But good luck to you guys. Oh, Mitchell's an ISEE too. Got in at 13.20. Not a bad price. What is it at now? Like 14? So pretty nice gain there. Zakari is in for 14. Marvin says he might go long on ISEE. We ride together, we die together. Bag holders for life. Rainbow Bears, brothers, bag holders for life. I like it. Camaraderie here. We win together, we lose together. Cue the bad boys. Rainbows, rainbows. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when we come for you? The Bears are changing camp. Now, we're not, you can't be a bear all the time. You know, you gotta go long too. Even bears go long sometimes. Yeah, it looks like a pretty good play. Alright, back to this. Okay. The hell did I just say? So yeah, so I think avoiding this altogether would be the best play. Now I don't advise this, but if you want to gamble, then go for it. Just understand, with all like all these other meme stocks, this is either gonna go really, really bad or really, really good. It's going moon or dumpster, no in between. So, if you have risk tolerance like that, then sure, go for it. As long as you know what you're getting yourself into. But yeah, really hard to tell where it's going in the short term. It's anyone's best guess. And if you were to take a position right now, you're going to be gambling. You're going to be eating the tendies or eating the ramen. Yeah, I wouldn't do it, but I'm not going to tell you guys what to do with your money. So if you want, go for it. So, sorry to everyone who lost money in this one today. Consider taking profits, not financial advice. But if you're up right now, you know, it's never a bad idea to lock in the gains. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is SPRT Support.com. If this goes well, nice. If not, the dumpster will be crowded. I'm already stuck in it. Either I take an L now or pray for the win. So Mitchell's committed. He's not effing leaving. Diamond hands.
With diamond hands, they knew they'd profit if they could only hold.
See you guys at Wendy's. No, I'm kidding. I hope not. I hope you guys print the tendies on that. I ain't going for it, but good luck to you guys. All right, ATER. I don't know what we're talking about. SPRT or ISEE. I don't know either. But apparently both of them, we want it to go up, right? The news was good, then the price went down. Yeah, Mitchell, sell the news. Sell the news for the merger. Okay, here is ATER Aterian. This finishes at $11.80 today. That is up 15.91%. Someone will have the clown next week, either of us or Ty, because he's not willing to come with us. Well, I wouldn't necessarily get the clown, because I wouldn't take any position. I mean, I guess that's a mini clown, because I missed out on the gains. I'm rooting for you guys, though. How does that happen? Mitchell. Because the market is very irrational. No, dude, it's just, I know at first it seems a little bit backwards, but you know that's sell the that's buy the rumor, sell the news. Everyone knew the merger was probably going to go through, and that was everyone's plan. You know, dump when the news hits, or the smart investors' plan at least. You know, the experienced people. So in the future, when there's an upcoming catalyst, not a bad idea to sell before the catalyst hits, because most of the time, the stock goes down after a big catalyst. So you want to cash out before it tanks. It's official. I'm going short again, SPRT. I'm getting my money back, fam. So looks like someone's getting the clown. Someone's going to get the clown. But, yeah, good luck to you guys. Good luck to you, Marvin. I hope you make your money back. Yeah. Pretty risky stuff here. I love it. I love it. This is content right here. We're making our own content. Yeah, good luck to you guys. I'm staying far, far away, but I'm hoping for you guys. If Mitch is right and this thing moons at 50, you better prepare that clown GIF and the BitConnect. Okay. So, here's another meme stock that has been low-key short squeezing the past 2 weeks. And this one is similar to CEI, where at first there wasn't too much chatter about this on social media, but it was squeezing. Then when it finally picked up chatter and it went trending on StockTwits, then it starts to moon. This has been trending on StockTwits the past couple of days, and the past couple of days we've been getting very significant movement to the upside. So it appears like we are in the middle of a squeeze for this stock. It looks like everyone is taking their gains out from BBIG and moving into CEI and ATER. But yeah, no significant news or anything to justify this price action today. So again, more ape stuff going on. Apes piling in, shorts covering. What's another 500 in me? That's nothing. Yeah, this is how you know we might have a problem here. We might be degenerates. I don't know. when 500 is nothing. Yeah, why not? F it. Chuck it. YOLO. Mitchell's already down 1,500. Yeah, it ain't nothing. ATER printed a check today. Nice, man. Congratulations. Okay, let's analyze this. So it looks like we have a possible cup and handle here. Top of the cup could be 1960. Could be 1640. Could be 1490. Could be 1350. So there are multiple possible tops of the cup here, but the bottom appears to be $3. So that may or may not be a bullish So that may be a bullish or bearish indicator depending on what you think the top of the cup is. If you think the top of the cup is anything above 1350, this would currently be a bullish indicator, because that would mean that the cup has not completed yet. But if you think the top of the cup is 1350, then it may have hit that today, and it might start to reverse pretty soon to form the handle. So that could be either bullish or bearish, depending on how you look at it. Okay. So right now this is sitting on the support of 1180, which it finished at today. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 1320, 1480, 1640, 1840, 1975, 2160, 2280, 2415, 2560, 2680, 2870, 3030, 32, 3280, 34, 3590, 37, 3830, 3965, 41, 42, 4285, 4380, 45, 4650, 4765, and then the all-time high, 49. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 1050, 960, 865, $8, 760, 680, 570, 425, and then the low of $3. Down 1,500 on SPRT. Already made 30K the first time, so this hit not so bad. Yeah, not that bad at all. Pennies compared to the gain, so that's all right, Mitchell. Bitcoin going BitConnect. What's Bitcoin at? 45K now. Yep. This is cool. For another 2 weeks, and then it can go moon again once my options expire. That'd be nice. Mitchell. Where's the top of the cup? On this one? On ATER? It's, it could either be... it could be 20, 1640, 15, or 1350. Yeah, I'd probably say either 1650, 15, or 1350. Yep. Okay. So right now at this current price, 1180, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty decently sized, so expect a good amount of price action either way this goes. The RSI is currently at 72, so just barely in overbought and overvalued territory. So be careful, guys. And this did 78 million in volume today. Very significant volume day. Second biggest ever for this stock. So this pump today was confirmed by the volume. That should have been me, but on the short side. Mother of squeezes. Lol, why didn't I catch that? No, the mother of squeezes is still GME. It went from like 2 to 300. But it's pretty up there though, for sure. GME, AMC, Microvision, a few others. Okay. So, yet again, here is another stock. Here's another meme stock that is pretty hard to tell where it's going to go in the short term. And yet again, we have a possible cup and handle, which is like right in the middle of the cup right now. So again, if you want to take a position right here at 1180, it's more of a gamble than an investment at this point, because it's either going to go really, really good or really, really bad for you. Either way you go, long or short. Now, if you were to ask me which way I think it's going, I'd say that it's probably more likely to go to the upside for a little longer. I still think there is some more room to run, but I do think it's going to come down pretty soon. I think it's going to run maybe for a couple more days, and then I would expect some pullback. This still could fill the top of the cup at 15 or 1650. But we have high RSI and high volume, so we're getting some pretty mixed signals here. So yeah, it's anyone's best guess where it's going to go. So I think that if you don't currently have a position, you're better off just avoiding this altogether. If you don't currently have a position, I would just wait, observe the stock, see how the price action goes the next few days, the next few weeks, and see if you can enter at a better price. Because right now at 1180, long or short, this is not a good entry. But again, I'm not going to tell you guys what to do with your money. If you want to gamble, then go ahead. Just understand that it's going to go really good or really bad. Yeah, so just be aware you may lose all your money or a good amount of it. So I would not recommend taking a position right here. But yeah, definitely if it pulls back, then you can make an argument for going long, and if it goes to the upside and keeps on squeezing, then you can make the argument to go short eventually. But yeah, another meme stock that's been squeezing, that is currently in the middle of a cup and handle. So it's anyone's best guess where it's going. Really hard to tell. So yeah, I would recommend staying away from it. Make a play a little later on. And I'm not opposed to gambling, but, you know, just be aware of what you're doing. So congratulations to everyone who made money on this one today. Consider taking profits, not financial advice. But if you've been in this for a couple of days, you should have made a good amount of money already. And it's never a bad idea to cash it in. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is ATER Aterian. The mother of all squeezes is soon to be our very own MMAT. Or Clover, yeah. Wouldn't that be something? I give myself the clown on that. If I have to sell at 4, if I get assigned at 4, and then it goes to like, whatever, 20 again, imagine. I would be so upset. Give me a retroactive clown. Got you. Yeah, Marvin, squeeze us out of our money. In MMAT, that'd be nice. One can wish. I'm out of there. Screw MMAT. Don't worry, Zach, Ty, and Marvin thought I was crazy for going long on it. Yeah, it took some balls for sure. Not that I didn't think it would go up, but I just think it was too risky. But hey, high risk, high reward. Scared money don't make money. Next call, we roll in together. I'm still balls deep in CEI and BBIG, and I kind of like ATER. Yeah, I mean, still looks like it has some room to go. Not sure about SPRT, but CEI, BBIG maybe, but yeah, CEI and ATER look pretty bullish right now, if you ask me. Sorry, fam, I gotta do it. How else do you expect the stock to go up? Yeah, someone has to sacrifice. Someone has to sacrifice. So, you know, everyone else greatly appreciates the sacrifice. Someone has to be the clown. For every winner, there's a loser. Alright, next one. Gotta speed it up a little here. It's already 6 o'clock. We got GEVO and AFRM, and don't have support and analysis there, so it should go by pretty quick. ATER about to hit 12? Sure hope so. Yep. 11.97, almost at 12. Still feel like going short on SPRT. That day should have worked. Yeah, but you chose the wrong day because you chose the day the apes wanted to pile in. Imagine you caught it at 60. That would have been some fat tendies. Okay, here is GEVO. GEVO. This finishes at $6.93 today. That is down 12.72%. Yesterday. The news here. Oh no, GEVO had the partnership with Chevron, not a CEI. I'm bugging. I said CEI did. I'm getting confused here. It was GEVO. All right. So yesterday we covered this stock. Had a major run up yesterday due to positive PR. This company has a partnership with Chevron right now. So that's very big. Made the stock go all the way from 6 to 8 yesterday. And today we're getting some pullback, down almost 13%. So it appears like the apes really, really like this one. I'm hesitant to call this a meme stock just yet, but it very well looks like it could be very soon. So I'm going to assume that this pullback today was just some healthy pullback from yesterday's major runner. Ape Nation, baby. I got out of this early. GEVO. That's what you're talking about, Mitchell. Minimal gains. Hey, gains are still gains. I found a video. A person got hacked on Coinbase today. Sure, we can look at that a little later. Low roller. Thanks for that. So it looks like we have a possible cup and handle here. Top of the cup is around $8. So, actually, it looks like the cup and handle has already formed. You know, top of the cup would be $8. Bottom of the cup would be 5-ish. So, quick math off the top of my head. This should pull back to around 650. To complete the handle here. So this does look like the cup has completed and the handle is currently forming. So right now that is a bearish indicator. This should come back down a little more to around 650 to complete the handle here. RSI is currently at 57. So a little bit above average, but right around where it's supposed to be. So according to the RSI, $7 is around fair market value. And this did 20 million in volume today. Oh no, it didn't. And this did 38 million in volume today. Pretty significant volume, more than the average. So this sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. Okay. So thankfully, this one is a lot easier to analyze than the other meme stocks that have been squeezing. So like I said, this does appear like a cup was complete at $8, and now it's pulling back to form the handle. And like I said, rough estimate, this should come back to around 650 for the handle to complete. So there is a little bit more room to the downside. So in the next few trading sessions, I expect this to pull back a little bit more to 650, and then I would expect some consolidation. Can't say for how long, but that's usually what happens in a cup and handle. We have the top of the cup, and then the sell-off, the bottoming, the reversal, the fill for the top of the cup, the pullback to form the handle, consolidation, and then usually there's breakout after consolidation. So yeah, in the next few trading sessions, I would expect this to pull back to 650 and consolidate for a little bit, and then eventually I would expect this to break out again. So that would be bearish in the short term and bullish in the longer term. So therefore, if you want to go long right now, I would hold off for a little bit. I would set your buy orders at 650 if you want to go long. I mean, this isn't a bad price, but you can get this for a little better. Yeah, this should come back to 650, so I would set the buy orders there for going long. I think that's a pretty good play. Not financial advice. And if it pulls back below 650, you can average down at $6, $5.50, and $5. But yeah, I think it's coming back to 650, and then eventually it'll break out to the upside. So I would support going long if this comes back down a little bit more. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that. I don't recommend that. I mean, it should pull back a little bit, but there's really not too much money to be made. From here to 650, that's less than 10%. And like I said, eventually this probably is going to break out again to the upside. So you'd be coming in here, shorting for crumbs, and putting yourself at risk of getting squeezed out. The risk is really not worth the reward here. Doesn't make too much sense going short. Really no reason to do that. Yeah, going short here doesn't seem like a good idea. I would not do that, and I don't recommend it. But if this does break out to the upside, yeah, we're not even going to do that. Whatever. Never mind. So yeah, I think if you want to go long, hold off for a little bit. You should be able to get this for at least 650. I support that play, and I don't support going short. I don't like that play right now. Seems like a recipe for disaster. So, sorry to... I'm lagging a little bit. So, sorry to everyone who lost money in this one today. Hang in there. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is GEVO. GEVO. Had a look on ISEE's pipeline. It's SAVA all the way in. You can really be right about mooning to 50 plus. So if it's SAVA, so you're saying it's going to moon and then go straight timber. That's what you're saying, Zakaria? Hey, if that's the case, I'm going to be in there for the top. Stop trying to make me bullish on ISEEs. We're bears over here, not bulls. Hey, I don't care what you guys are. If you're printing 10 I'm happy for you. But seriously, that's interest. I may seriously go long on ISEE. It seems like all you guys want to go long on ISEE now. Can't blame me, guys. It could be a good play. Like I said, as long as you're on the side of the manipulators, you're good. And it does appear like ISEE is being manipulated to the upside right now. It is serious potential. Pipeline has a drug with phase 3 results. They announced that they are going for some virtual conference next week. We could bring a catalyst. I think that's the H.C. Wainwright virtual conference, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. H.C. Wainwright. I hate H.C. Wainwright. Biggest douchebags in the world. Biggest scammers in the world. Like, they literally manipulate biotech like crazy. But anyway, so that's a catalyst. So sell the news? Possibly? Yeah, honestly, I wouldn't pay too much attention to all these, results and studies and pipeline and all this. I mean, it matters, but to me, it's just like jargon, It's like, it's all stuff to pump the stock up. It's all PR to me. They're all pump and dumps. All of them. All the biotechs. So you just got to know when to hit the sell button. If BBIG don't move next week, I'm getting out. Are you up, Chase? I think you're up pretty big already, right? So, yeah. The momentum seems like it's cooling off a little bit. So it may be getting to the end here. So yeah, not a bad idea to cash in the profits. The Chad move would be to go for the long, then ride it back down. Yeah, if it were that easy. If only it were that easy. Alright, last one, Affirm. Okay, here is AFRM Affirm. This finishes at $123.70 today. That is up 34.37%. Chase, you're up 8 G's? Awesome, dude. Yeah, that's a fat gain. Congratulations, dude. Yeah, either way, it's a win-win for you right now, so... Awesome, dude. Happy for you. Okay. So this has been a very hot stock lately. We have 2 gap ups here. So those are bearish indicators. But this first gap up was due to the announcement of an Amazon partnership. Went from 74 to 100. And then yesterday, earnings comes out. And we have another gap up from 92. And this hit 125. So yeah, very positive earnings yesterday. The market really liked them. The market really liked it. So everyone started buying the stock up. But let's take a look at those earnings. And I believe we have some price upgrades. So yeah, let's take a look at those. Staying till October. Up 5,400. I love the tendies, guys. Congratulations to everyone. I love it when you guys make tendies. Very happy for you guys. Okay. So we got Deutsche Bank upgrades to $105. Credit Suisse upgrades to $105. Morgan Stanley upgrades to $140. RBC Capital upgrades to $130. D.A. Davidson upgrades to $110. Truist Securities upgrades to $150. Jefferies upgrades to $82. Yeah, that's the yeah, so major price upgrades from a lot of firms here. A lot of reputable firms, too. So let's take a look at the earnings here. So the EPS was a loss of 48 cents, which missed the estimate of negative 29 cents. And the revenue was 262 million, which beat the estimate of 226 million. So they missed on EPS but hit on revenue. So the earnings honestly weren't that crazy or anything, so kind of a surprise as to why this went up so much. Probably just because of all the price upgrades, if you ask me. That's my best guess. So yeah, a lot of price upgrades, and a lot of people like the earnings, even though they really don't seem that great to me. But the market likes it, so the stock goes up over 34% today. Chase them September 17th calls look juicy. On what, BBIG? All right. So, as I said, we have two gap ups, one at 73 and one at 92. So those are bearish indicators. That is telling us that the stock is likely to pull back to fill these gaps to 92 and 73. Now, honestly, the 73 gap, it's not even 73. It was 70. Yeah, at 70 and 92. So honestly, the 70 gap may never fill. Possible, but usually when there's a double gap up, the chances of the first gap filling go down dramatically. So I would not be surprised if this never comes back to 70 to fill that gap. But I do think the gap at 92 should fill. But I think the chances of this filling, of the gap filling at 92 are a lot higher. That one should fill. And we have a possible cup and handle in the making here. Looks like the top of the cup would be in the 147 to 142 range. And the bottom of the cup would be around 48. So that is currently a bullish indicator. This might come back up to 142 or 147 to fill this cup here. The RSI is currently at 78, so that is overbought and overvalued, so be careful, guys. And this did 54 million in volume today. Very significant volume, biggest volume day ever for this stock. So this pump today was confirmed by the volume. It's Cart, you talking to me or Mitchell? Talking about Affirm or RNXT? I think you're talking about RNXT. I hope it squeezes so I can get in there at the top, short it down. No more pharmaceutical stocks for me. Yeah, Mitchell, you're learning. Dude, not financial advice, but you should short the biotech stocks. That's what I do, and I make a damn good living at it. So, maybe no more going long on the biotech, but I would definitely go short on the biotech for sure. That is a winning play all day. Low roller. I may have seen that YOLO. So, yeah, we could take a look at that a little later. Okay. So, if you want to go long, not financial advice, looks like an okay play. I probably wouldn't go for it because this already mooned so much from the bottom here. You missed out on a lot of tendies already. But there does appear to be some tendies still to be made here. Like I said, we got the possible cup and handle here. That's a bullish indicator. I think this should come back to at least 142 to fill the top of the cup. And then I would expect it to pull back immediately. I think it's going to go to the upside in the short term, fill the top of the cup, and then start forming the handle here. So I think if you want to go long right now, it's an okay play. This probably will go up, and you can probably make 10 or 20%, but really not too much more than that. So personally, I would avoid this one on the long side because, like I said, you already missed out on most of the tendies, but you can still make some. So I'd support going long. Just understand it's a little bit risky here. If this pulls back without completing the cup, you could lose a good amount of money here. So just be aware of that. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, seems like a pretty good play. You could make the argument that even at this current price, 124, this is a pretty good entry. Because it probably won't go that much more to the upside. Like I said, I really don't think it's going above 147. So I could support taking a short position at this current price, 124. But personally, I would wait until this hits 140. I would set sell orders for 140. Because that is probably closer to the top there. I saw Wall Street Bets user for YOLO Kroger stock today. I think I saw that one too. We're not going to do it though. Laurel, no, I don't have it in my list today. I know what you're talking about though. Mitchell, I learned from NRXP, PMCB, SESN. I'm good. Yeah, dude. Like I said, you should take the opposite side. You should short them, because I shorted all of those. I'm pretty sure I was in the opposite side on all of those trades from you, and I won on all of them, and you lost on all of them, dude. So, yeah, again, not financial advice, but my suggestion would be take the other side of the biotech trade. That is a sure winner. That's literally how I make my living. Like, I make at least $1,000 a day doing that. So, try it out, man. All right. So yeah, I would support going short here either at this current price or at 140. Preferably at 140, but you can't go too wrong going short right here. Looks like a pretty good play. And again, we have a lot of bearish indicators to support this. We have a double gap up, high RSI, and high volume. So everything is pointing to this coming back down in the short term. I think it's going to run to 140, though, first. So congratulations to everyone who made money on this one today and the past 2 weeks. Consider taking profits, not financial advice, but if you're up real big right now, it never hurts to secure the gains. And good luck to everyone currently in this stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is AFRM Affirm. Not sure about Affirm's top. Has some strong fundamentals, plus made a deal with Amazon. Yeah, I'm just going off TA right now. So, yeah, fundamentals could be a big part of this, but I'm just reading the chart. But yeah, this is definitely not a meme stock. This is a legit stock right here. Mitchell, well, really? Well, really what? About what I said about going short? I really think you should go short on the biotech, Mitchell. I think you would make some fat tendies there. Because it's very hard to catch the bottom of biotech. Did I short SESN when I went from 6 to 60? Yeah, I did. You don't remember, dude? You don't remember that day? I was in here so excited, like, oh my god, guys. You will not believe what just happened. I just made like 80% on some straight BS right here. Yeah, I was in there. It literally went from 6 to 85 cents. I covered it at a dollar something, like $1.20, I think. Yeah, I was in there. I made some fat tendies that day. That was nuts. All right. So that is all the analysis for today. Let's do the YOLOs now. Yeah, Mitchell, I think there was another one. Was it SONN? There was another day where there was another offering. Actually, SESN wasn't an offering. It was a failed, it was a rejected FDA thing. But there was one day where there was an offering, I think for SOSN, and the thing went down 50%, and I cashed out on that one too, and I think you lost 3K in like a minute or something, I think you said. So yeah, definitely I think going short on the biotech is better than going long. Because you have all these opportunities for offerings, FDA rejections, all this crazy stuff. PMCB. Okay, yeah, it was that one. Right. Yeah, dude, try it out. I recommend it. I mean, I recommend everyone short biotech, but I think that would solve your problem with the pharmaceuticals, Mitchell. You're just taking the wrong side. But you did good on neuro. I'll give you that one. You did really good on neuro. I got burned on neuro. I lost 12K on neuro. And I think you made like 30K on that one. So it doesn't always work sometimes. But most of the time, I would say shorting works for the biotech. Went from 8 to 345. Yeah, I remember that. And I covered at like 4. All right, 1 second, guys. Let me pull up the YOLOs. Got a lot of them here today. Shouldn't take too long though. They're pretty short ones. I was up 3,900, then down 3,200. Wow, what a swing. Was pissed. Yeah, you gotta hit the sell button, dude. That goes for both sides on biotech. If you're up really big, hit the sell button. And if you're shorting and you're up really big, gotta hit the buy button. Like today on ISEE, I was literally up $1,000, and I'm like, nope, it's going timber. And then I lose it all back, just like that. So you gotta hit the sell button or the buy button. Low roller. I'll go back up the list and I'll find it. The YOLO you sent. ITRM. Sure. Reverse split. Well, this looks pretty bullish right now. I'll give it that. Double gap down. Looks like it's bottoming out. Cup and handle here. A reverse split would actually be bearish. Because when things reverse split, they tend to sell off. And when things split, they tend to go up. It's kind of weird. Read the news. Mitchell says trash bucket. Well, personally, dude, I mean, you know me. I'm going to give you a biased answer. I don't like going long on biotech. But the chart does look pretty bullish. I don't think the reverse split is a bullish indicator. I think that's a bearish indicator, actually. But, honestly, I'd probably stay away from it. I think, personally. I just never have any luck with these biotech stocks going long. Not saying you shouldn't do it. This chart does look pretty bullish, if you ask me. Yeah, like MMAT. Reverse split. Yeah, reverse split is not good. It usually sells off after reverse split. But it does look bullish. It really does. This looks like the bottom right here. But I still wouldn't go for it. Too risky in my opinion. But it does look bullish if you want to go for it. Not financial advice. Yeah, low roller got you on the Coinbase video. Alright, so today we got a bunch of stuff. Alright, let's just go through them all. So these are like a bunch of short Yolos today. A bunch of fun ones. So let's do it. Alright, this first one is by Tess7815. They say, losing a third of my account in 29 minutes. Love to see it. Buy high, sell low, baby. Yeah, so I got no idea what the play was. But to lose a third of your account in 29 minutes is definitely due to FDs. Most definitely. So yeah, so it looks like he was up over 60K. And today he loses $18,000. So really not much to say about this other than don't do this, guys. Don't go for these crazy FDs unless you want to end up like this guy. Unless you can afford it. All right, fine, sure. But this is what typically happens when you got crayon-eating apes YOLOing into these crazy FDs. Now, they don't post it. This guy did. Very happy about that, but, you know, most of these YOLOs, these crazy gains you see, that's not typical. Most of the time, this is what happens. And no one posts it because it's embarrassing. People only post their gains. This is reality right here. So, yeah. What can we learn from this? Don't do the FDs, guys. Unless you really got it like that. This is going to be you. So, Test7815, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. Better luck next time, dude. Hope you make it back. But great content. Thanks for posting, dude. Good luck to you. I wanted to sell PMCB, but decided to hold overnight, thinking it was going to be sweet the next day. Turned out I was sweet. Yeah, especially the holding. I mean, I think you shouldn't really hold anything when you're day trading or swing trading. Not for that long, at least, but yeah, with the biotechs, especially when it has a super run like that, like goes up 50% in a day, the next day, there's a good chance an offering is coming. And that tanks the stock, like, you know, at least 30%. So a good strategy there, going short on the biotech, because There's a good chance. I say, like, there's a 10% chance when you short biotech, it's going to have an offering. And that's just, like, free money right there. They received the letter from the NASDAQ saying they are not in compliance. ATERM. That's why I see a reverse split happening. Always selling before end of the day now, win or lose. Yep, that's usually the best play. I mean, holding for over a day isn't that bad, but personally, I never hold for more than 3 days. Try not to hold it for that long, but yeah, dude, you're learning. When you day trade, when you swing trade, it's not good to hold. Diamond hands is not the way. Gotta hit the sell button. Marvin. I mean, a reverse split is definitely possible. I just don't really see how that's gonna, make the stock price go up. Like that's not going to make apes pile in, I mean, maybe it will if they release good PR. But, I mean, just looking at the TA, it looks pretty bullish. I wouldn't do it, though. So, but it does look bullish. I just hate biotech. So, yeah, good luck to you, man. Do I remember Movie Pass stock? I don't think so. That was a while ago. Movie Pass. Wow. That was a while ago. I don't remember that. Alright, this one is by Lavi1012. They say, switch from 1 year long-term to day trading. 2K loss in 2 days. I'm not even going to crop this shiz. I'm artard. Yeah, so we see the graph here. It was at 7K, and now he's at 5K. Now, by the sounds of it, this guy is really pissed that he lost 2K. I mean, it's understandable if this is all his money here. Yeah, that's a fat portion of your portfolio. But not to sound like a dick, but these are rookie numbers. These are rookie numbers. I've lost 2K in a minute. So, not bad at all. Not bad at all. Well, considering if he's only worth 7K, then yes, that's really bad. But really not too bad in the grand scheme of things. 2K is not that much. But yeah, day trading is a beast. You can't just jump in and expect to make tendies. It takes a little bit to learn. Rookie numbers. Yeah, damn right. And I'm not sure exactly what he did to lose that much money in 2 days. Like, because unless he risked a stupid amount of money, which would be his own fault, you have to risk, you have to risk a percentage of your bankroll, like 1%, like 1 or 5%, 1 to 5%. This guy looked like he YOLO'd like his whole freaking bank account, his whole bankroll, on a day trade. So this was definitely self-inflicted. He messed up here. But I would agree. Yeah, he's an artard. I don't know how you do this. How do you lose like 35% of your roll in 2 days? Day trading. They're not even FDs. This is just straight shares, and he lost it. How is this possible? Bad trades, that's how. But yeah, guys, what can we learn from this? You gotta bet in moderation. Don't bet more than you can afford to lose. You gotta bet a percentage of your portfolio. You don't YOLO everything like this guy. That's how it goes really, really bad. Anyway. So, Lavi1012, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. Yeah, dude, day trading is no joke. It is a beast. You can't just jump in expecting to make tendies. This is something you gotta learn over years. But yeah, very unfortunate. Sorry, man. Honestly, this kind of seems self-inflicted. user error here, in my opinion. So, hope you can learn from this. Not sure what you did, but went really, really bad. So, hope you learn from your mistakes and hope you bounce back harder and make your money back. It's not too much, dude. You'll be alright. So, thanks for posting. Good luck to you. I lost the whole portfolio on MMAT. Yeah, rookie numbers. That ain't nothing. Not a real ape. Got some real apes in here. I'm doing swing trade. Oops. I'm doing swing trade for a few dollars. Only use $10 as swing trading money. Afraid to lose. Maybe he's day trading a meme stock. I don't think so. I mean, maybe, but I don't see how you can lose that much money even trading meme stocks. That is absurd. That is absurd. I want to know what he traded. That doesn't really make too much sense. All right, this one is by Fresh Jury. They say the numbers on my screen got smaller. All right, so we got two plays here. So we got 16 calls for GME, September 10th. So it expired already. It's over. $300 strike. So yeah, this is done. It's at 0 now. So yeah, there goes 23.5K. And we have another one here. 10 calls, GME, September 17th. So next Friday, 300 strike. One second, guys. Okay, my bad. Maybe, unless you do options? I don't think so, because unless he's day trading options, yeah, but I don't think that's the case. That would make sense, though. I don't know how he lost that much money. So if he never day traded and then he starts day trading FDs, that's totally his own fault. That guy portfolio is good for Golden Corral dinner cash. Yeah, what is it, like $10, $20? I love Golden Corral. There's none in New York, but I love Golden Corral. It's too late to get a quote now. Yep. All right, so we got another one here. Yeah, GME September 17th. Next Friday, 300 strike. 10 contracts. So that was approximately a 16.5K YOLO. And he's down 16K about. Down 94% on that one. So yeah, in total, there goes $40,000. Now, I can't really comment on if the plays were good or not, because I'm not sure when they were purchased. But yeah, this went really, really bad. So at this point, still has $940 in value here. That's a lot of money. Cut it, dude. GME's not going to 300 by next Friday. Cut it. Don't diamond hands. You don't need to lose this money. $940 is a lot of money. Don't chuck it. So, Fresh Jury, thanks for posting. Great content. Sorry for your loss so far. Not over yet, but pretty much. Yeah, at this point, dude, you gotta cut. You got almost $1,000 here. That's a lot of money. Don't need to waste that. Cut it, move on. Sorry, though. This really sucks. So, hope you have better luck next time. Good luck to you. Thanks for posting. ISEE. Is it mooning? ISEE. 14.4. Not bad, not bad. Yeah, it looks pretty strong, I'm not going to lie. I think next week it's going to keep running. And I'm just glad I was able to escape this. Still kind of mad I didn't cash out. I should have cashed. I had this at 11 and I didn't cash out. Why? Why? Damn price upgrades. All right, this one is by Papu of the Papos. They say, "Oh shiz, here we go again. Lost 95% of 19K on my last options trade." All right, so another GME. 51 calls for the 195 strike expiring next Friday, September 17th. So this was a 35K YOLO, and right now he's down 1.7K, down 5%. Zakaria. No, I cashed out for break even when it was going bad. I didn't cash out when I was up $1,000, which I should have. At 5 a.m. I should have cashed at 5 a.m. I woke up at 5 a.m. and I looked like, oh, I'm up over $1,000. Let's go. It's gonna keep going timber. And then I check a few hours later, like, where'd all my money go? And then at like 10 o'clock, I'm like, damn, I'm down $500. What the hell's going on here? I just gotta. And then I'm like, all right, I'm out. I'm out of this. Screw this. So, yeah, I effed up there. But it got manipulated. If it wasn't for these damn price upgrades, it would have been straight timber. Oh no, I cashed this morning at 1380. At one point it was at 11 and I cashed it at 1380. Clown on me. Got too greedy. Got way too greedy. Yeah, Marvin, same thing. He was up like 20% also. We literally shorted at the same time yesterday. All right, GME. 190. All right, so GME is at 190. So this is a little bit out of the money. Very tough spot here. You got 33K at risk, over 33K. 1 week to go out of the money. And you're actually down a little bit here. So what do? Very, very tough spot. Personally, I'd cut this on Monday. No matter what happens, you could hold this on Monday, but no matter what happens on Monday, I would cut. Because if it's green, you can escape with a small profit and get lucky. And if it's red, you can escape with most of your cost basis. But I think holding for more than one more day is not a good idea. Yeah, I'd either cut now or wait one more day and cut. But this definitely has to be cut by Monday. Because this can go really, really bad if you keep holding. So yeah, very tough spot here. This is a bad position. Hate to be this guy. And he's on margin, you see? Margin. Great. Yeah, Zakar, I didn't lose any money. I mean, I made a little bit of money. Like $50 or something. But, yeah, that was just stupid. I was so upset. I was like, really? 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 Like, I just watched it just poof right in front of my face. $1,000. There it goes. Because I got too greedy. But to be fair, I didn't even see the price upgrades until I lost all my money. Like, I'm like, why is this thing gonna keep going up? Then I checked the news, like, oh, we got price upgrades. So it was my fault. I should have seen that and then immediately exited. And I still would have made, like, a good amount of money, but nope. So, that's my fault. Clown on me. Alright, so Papu of the Papos, thanks for posting. Tough spot here. I would cut. I would cut on Monday, no matter what happens. I think that's the best play. You can escape relatively unharmed if you cut on Monday, so that's what I recommend. Hope you do that. But no matter what happens, please post updates. I'd like to see how you handle this. So good luck to you, and please post updates. Yeah, Marvin, is it? I find it so hilarious when when we can bond over gut situations like MMAT and then now this and yeah, ISEE. Yeah, Marvin, when did you get out? Are you still in? I hope you got out. All right, this one is by Representative Bet775. I think this is an update because yeah, I definitely covered this before. So here's an update. He says, updated Clover options YOLO. Lost about 21K today. Not worried at all. Tomorrow I'll make it all back. You sure about that? No, he did not. No, he did not. No, he definitely did not. All right, so yeah, we already ran through this last time. He has $17 calls expiring today. So there goes over 16K. And then we got $16 and $17 calls for next week, next Friday. And Clover's at like 850, so you need a 100% gain in 5 days. And this was posted a day ago. So today, it's probably a lot worse. Yep. So in total here, over a 30K loss. And probably worse than that right now. So he still has some value here. Don't know how much now, but still has some value. Probably a couple $1,000s worth. So yeah, on Monday I would cut. Because there's no way these are going in the money. Cut, dude. If you don't cut, you're going to lose a couple $1,000. Gotta cut. Very unfortunate, but we are here now, so gotta save face. So, Representative Bet775, thanks for posting. Thanks for posting an update. Sorry for your loss so far. Not over yet, but really not looking great. Yeah, dude, at this point, this really sucks, and you gotta cut. Because if you don't, you're gonna lose more money for no reason. There's no need for that. And, yeah, tomorrow I'll make it all back. I think you lost even more of it today, so. Yeah, dude, really sucks, but great content here. Thanks for posting. And please post updates. I'd like to see how this goes. So good luck to you. Sorry for your loss, and thanks for posting. Marvin broke evens. Yeah, so pretty much same thing. Yeah, at least it wasn't red. I hate Clover, don't we all? We all hate Clover and MMAT. All these damn meme stocks. All right, this one is by Papa Long Stroke 69. Nice. He says, so Cohen owns 35,000 puts on Clover? What a joke. This is one of the most artificial dumps I've ever seen. Volume is pathetic. I couldn't resist. Just bought 350 September 17th, $9.50 calls at 28 cents or $28. We gap up Monday. Okay. So this was a 10K YOLO. And right now he's up $200. Cool. Yeah, 350 calls. 9.5 strike, expiring next Friday. Okay, so Clover is at 8.5. So a bit risky here. This is a bit risky. He would need about a 15% gain. A little less than 20%. A little more than, yeah, let's just call it 15%. Needs 15% in a week for this to go in the money. So literally, you're depending on a squeeze here. There's no way it's going to go up on its own like this. So, yeah, I personally think this is a pretty bad play. Bad strike, bad expiration, bad timing, bad entry. All around pretty bad play, if you ask me. Probability of success, not very high. But if it hits, he's going to be printing. So don't do this, guys. I don't recommend doing this. This is probably going to zero. But great content here. So yeah, this is literally relying on a short squeeze. Very unlikely this goes up, $1 in 5 days. So this is a squeeze play here. Unlikely, but hey, hope it works out. So Papa Long Stroke 69. Thanks for posting. Good luck to you. Great content here. There's no way in the world I would ever do this, but I love it. This is pure Wall Street bet stuff. I love it. And good luck to you, dude. I'm praying for you. I'm hoping for you. I really don't think it's going to work. But I sure hope so, for your sake. And if it does, you're going to be like a millionaire, I think. Going to be printing those tendies. So yeah, thanks for posting. Good luck to you. And please post updates. Alright, last one. But just like Ty, I sit there and watch it run up all the way to 15 almost, hit the buy button, and watch it drop right back down. Oh my god. Clown. He covered? He covered? Dump it, dump it, dump it, dump it. Yeah, you already know. Yeah, I covered at 1380 and it goes down to like 1350. It ain't that much, but yeah, you already know the deal. Alright, this one is by Fuyuki Wataru. Sounds Japanese. They say AMC $2.5 million short. Lol. You see billionaire post just by weekly SPY calls. Yeah, SPY calls do work a lot. I tend to notice that. I mean, I'm still too scared to do it, but those seems to print. Okay, so this one is straightforward, and we usually don't talk about shares, but this is just so absurd that I had to share this. So yeah, he is IBKR, nice. Team IBKR, so you could tell he's a pretty experienced trader. But yeah, what's the position? He is short over 47,000 shares of AMC. Holy crap.
Bruh.
Yeah, cost basis 2.25 million. And right now he's down 150K. I just think this is absurd. I mean, pretty ballsy. I mean, they're shares, so at least they're not going to expire worthless or anything, but literally, like, the hedge funds lost billions of dollars doing this. Why would you do that? Why would you do the exact same thing? Very risky to me. Very, very risky to me. This is absurd. I would never do this. But hey, this is great. Could pay off pretty big, or... Well, there goes 2.5 mil. So, nothing really to discuss here. I kind of like it. I like the play. I mean, I don't really like the play, but I like the balls. That's what I like. This is great. So, yeah, you know, like I said, the successful traders, they generally inverse the popular opinion. So this could pay off pretty big. Yeah, nothing else to say, though. Crazy play here. So, for Yuki Wataru, thanks for posting. Good luck to you. This is nuts. I salute you. Rooting for you. There's no way I would ever do this. But hey, bigger balls than me. So good luck, man. Please post updates when you close the trade. I like to see how this goes. I'm very interested. So yeah, thanks for posting. Good luck to you. And please post updates. It is past 7 o'clock here. This is the longest show ever. But we're almost done. Like EFTR, Mitchell bought it at $36. Dump it, dump it, dump it. Got you. He bought it at 36. Dump it, dump it, dump it. He sold it at 23. Pump it, pump it, pump it. You already know. Yeah, that's pretty funny. I don't mean to laugh at you, but it never fails, right? It's like everyone knows. The market makers know exactly what you're doing. This is what Rainbow Baron looks like? Damn right. I don't know if it's going to end well. Yeah, I don't know either, but I like it. I like it. I like the play. I like the rainbowness. Not sure if it's going to work, but I like the rainbowness. Okay, so yeah, we got one more YOLO and a short video, and let's get the hell out of here. Where's the link at? There's one. Damn, Tesla, was this close to printing some real good money with my expired puts. Yeah, you already know you already know how it goes. Options expired. Dump it, dump it, dump it. It never fails. It never ever fails. Okay, this one's by Cashback Pal. He says, I admit it, I am an effing clown. Was up 22K at 1 p.m. Didn't sell. Down 36K by market close. Alright, so this was for SPY. 448 strike. What's SPY at? 460 around. What? Am I reading this right? $445. Okay. I was not reading it right. Yep. So, yeah. This really sucks. But like we've just been saying, you gotta hit the sell button. You can't get too greedy. Yeah. I'll have to agree with this. This is the clown. This guy deserves the clown right here. clown, dumpster, cook, everything. All right, Mitchell. Appreciate you for being here, man. Later. Have a good weekend. See you Monday. Yeah, yeah, nothing really to say here other than gotta hit the sell button. Don't get too greedy. I mean, we're all guilty of this. But easier said than done, right? Gotta hit the sell button. Yeah, this is really unfortunate. Totally deserve the clown here. Yeah, I love it, though. I love the content. This is great. So, Cashback Pal, thanks for posting. Sorry for your loss. Yeah, this really sucks, but thanks for posting, man. This is great. Alright, now let's do the video, and let's get out of here. "56 seconds, alright.
So there's not going to
It's a TikTok? Is this a TikTok trader? What's going on here?
be a sports card hunting video today, and I'm going to tell you guys why. Because it's been one hell of a morning. I was sitting on my desk around 8 o'clock and I got a notification on my phone via text message that the password on my Coinbase account was changed. If you guys don't know what Coinbase is, that's where you buy and sell cryptocurrency. So of course I freak out. I go ahead and call the number that says to call if it wasn't authorized. But then I realized I had no
Wait, let's rewind. What did you just say?
sell cryptocurrency. So of course message that the password on my Coinbase account was changed. If you guys don't know what Coinbase is, that's where you buy and sell cryptocurrency. So of course I freak out. I go ahead and call the number that says to call if it wasn't authorized.
It could be a phishing scam. Sounds like a fish. Uh-oh.
But then I realized I had no signal on my phone. Turns out these hackers actually went in, hacked my T-Mobile account, disabled my SIM card, and then made all the changes to the Coinbase account using my phone number on another phone. Luckily, I thought pretty quickly.
So he got SIM swapped. That's what happened. He got SIM swapped. That's really nasty. That does happen. That happened to Trayvon James. That's his name, right? Yeah. Trayvon James, I think his name is.
Grabbed my wife's phone, called the number, disabled my account, stopped any transactions from going through. I only had $100 in there, so if they had taken it, it wouldn't have been a big deal. But
Yeah, but what about two-factor? He doesn't have two-factor?
it's just the principle of it. Now that it's resolved, I give some props to the hackers because that's a pretty genius way of doing it. But yeah.
Okay. So yeah, sounds like, well, first of all, this is a problem with Coinbase. They have been getting hacked, so they got to work on that. But it sounds like he got SIM swapped here. Where, you know, a hacker, they take over your phone number. They essentially trick the phone company into convincing them that they are you, and they get the phone company to give them a new SIM card. And they use that SIM card and they take control of your phone, and they use that to hack into your bank accounts and all your other brokerage accounts and stuff. So,
Guard your account.
oops. So yeah, nothing new here, but yeah, that really sucks. You gotta be aware, guys. Be careful of this stuff. It is real. It can happen to you. So glad this guy didn't get hit. Glad he didn't have any money in there. But yeah, this is concerning. You know, be careful, guys. Okay. So let me exit out of here.
Accounts, folks.
Oops. All right, guys, that is the show for today. Oh, thanks for posting that, Low Roller. Yeah, that's the show for today. Really, really long show. Longest show ever. We went over 3 hours today. In the future, I'm going to try to keep this below 3 hours. But, yeah, really good show today. A lot of people showed up. Thank you, guys. Thank you to all the regulars who came in. Really, really appreciate you guys. Appreciate everyone who stayed till the end. You guys are the real MVP. Yeah, and thank you to everyone new who popped in today. Appreciate all you guys. Thanks for making this show today possible. Okay. Let's get out of here. Finally. Thanks, everyone. Oh, wait. I gotta put on my glasses. The second day I forgot doing that. Thanks, everyone, for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. 550 in USDC and 50 in Ethereum on my Coinbase. That's not too bad, dude. But yeah, definitely you got to use two-factor. Use the yeah, be aware of SIM swapping and phishing too. That's another thing. Yeah, it's crazy out here. Crypto is hackable now. Low Roller says, Marvin, transfer before you get hacked. I wouldn't be too concerned about it, but, I mean, that still is some money in there, so gotta be cautious. You apes already know, diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys on Monday. Have a great weekend, everybody. Peace out. I don't trust Coinbase. It's not 50 Ethereum. It's $50 in Ethereum, I think he means. But yeah, Coinbase, not too great. I wouldn't trust it either. I'd probably pull it out, but shouldn't be that big of a concern. Anyway, thanks, guys. That's the show. Let's get out of here. See you guys next week. Peace out.